Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting to story. And here's how it is done. Open Settings. Tap the three horizontal bars in the upper right corner of your Instagram app to open the menu. Select Settings from the list of options. Under the Interactions category, tap Story. Temporarily hide your story. Scroll through your list of followers. Check the boxes next to the names of the people you want to hide your story from. Once you have selected the desired followers, your story will be hidden from them. Post a story. Create and post your story as usual. Example, snap a photo or video. While the story is live on your profile, no one will be able to view it due to your restricted settings. Add to highlights. Once the story is uploaded, you can add it to an existing highlight or create a new highlight directly from your profile. Important note: do not delete the story before 24 hours. If you delete it, it will also disappear from your highlights. Revert to privacy settings. After 24 hours, go back to settings, privacy, story. Remove all the profiles from the hide story from list. Your stories will now be visible to your followers again. Benefits: this method allows you to update your highlights without overwhelming your followers with extra stories. Plus, it ensures your highlights stay intact and accessible. And that is everything you need to know about how to add highlights on Instagram without posting to story. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.